Like a cheat code unlocking more value for your business, Connect empowers you to say yes to more data-driven content projects at a fraction of the typical time and effort. Here's how it works. Connect's 3 key workflows condense projects that used to take a team weeks down to a series of tasks one person can manage on their own, sometimes as fast as a few minutes. Seriously. Whether you're starting from scratch, the Connect template library, or layering data-driven elements on top of your own pre-made creative, Connect's App Builder is where all apps come to life. You'll find a familiar set of design tools, integrated stock asset library, plus a set of data widgets that provide fully coded shortcuts for designing with data. From dynamic text and photos to calendars and infographics, data widgets combine ease and flexibility to display your data just as you want. Specialized widgets we call repeaters and slides supercharge your app's presentation capabilities. Drag and drop dynamic text and images right onto the layout and watch Connect repeat and rotate through your dataset. But how do you get that data there in the first place? We'll take a look at that next. Connect makes designing with data just as easy as any other on-screen element. But the real magic is how Connect makes short work of integrating your data to be easily accessible for powering your widgets and apps. Here in the Connections menu, creating data connections with calendars, spreadsheets, XML, and JSON feeds are just a few clicks away. Our integration with Zapier opens up opportunities to showcase data tucked away in sources like Salesforce, Shopify, Slack, and many others that may or may not start with the letter S. Back in the App Builder, you can again see how widgets and connected data sources work together to handle multifaceted projects with ease. Connect simplifies managing your data connections with moderation and collaboration options. You can even create your own data set within Connect and update it at any time. You'll also find a robust set of filtering options to optimize your apps with even more control and automation. Change is inevitable. Thankfully, Connect makes it easy to edit and update any element of your apps. Whether you're modifying one of our templates to fit your use and brand, or simply making a quick fix to an original app design, you'll find the process to be an intuitive one, even for the most design-challenged user. The content itself is automatically updated from its existing source of data, or you can even host your data right within Connect to make easy updates. Users leveraging Zapier-enabled connections with sources like Jotform or Slack have a cache of crowdsourced data at their fingertips, with Connect providing the way to moderate the results along the way. This is a great way to feature incoming, user-generated data for your apps. Together, these 3 workflows provide you with genuinely useful content apps built to solve your content problems in exactly the way you need them solved, and ensuring they'll stay up to date without having to tinker with settings in your software. Just schedule the app like any other content in your playlist. We get it, content can be tricky even with an ace like Connect up your sleeve. That's why we're here to help. For over a decade, we've had our attention squarely focused on digital signage content, and we're always happy to pass our experience on to our users. To take advantage of any of our services, just reach out via the contact info below. Be sure to stay connected on the latest updates, tutorials, and support articles by subscribing to Connect notifications at the end. With additional features like triggers, more data connections, and user permissions on the horizon, you won't want to miss out. And while you're at it, give Connect a try today.